What's up everyone? Welcome back to Big Tree Channel. We hope y'all are doing well. Today let's have a look at this super easy and delicious feta cheese quesadilla recipe. So first we'll begin by chopping half a cup of arugula and basil. Next we'll roughly chop one small tomato. And now in one bowl add half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. To this add 1/4 portion of the avocado and add the chopped arugula and basil mix. Add the chopped tomatoes and now add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You can even add some black pepper here. Go ahead and mix it like this. Now add 3 garlic cloves minced. If you feel like 3 cloves would be too much for you, you can certainly add it as per your preference. Mix it again. And now spread it onto a tortilla like this. Let's fold and roast our quesadilla using some oil. Perfect, this looks nice and toasty. So now let's finally cut it. You can cut it the way you like. And that's it, all done. Wasn't it super easy? Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do try making it and let us know. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care, stay healthy, and stay happy.